Air pollution in the UK claims an estimated 40,000 lives each year. Today, increased road traffic accounts for up to 65% of environmental pollution. Petrol and diesel engines produce harmful gases and particulates, notably nitrogen oxides or NOX, particulate matter and VOCs. When these pollutants react together, they create secondary pollutants, such as ozone and PM2.5. Annual mean NO2 levels near busy roads frequently exceed 100 micrograms per cubic meter of air, whereas the acceptable European mean level is less than 40. People living in homes near busy roads are at risk of developing asthma, lung cancer, heart disease, and dementia. Prolonged exposure to NOx has been shown to result in a cumulative reduction in lung function growth in children, to worsen symptoms of heart and lung conditions, and shorten lifespans. PM2.5 causes cancer, lung and heart disease. Volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and sulfur dioxide, SO2, are linked to cancer, lung inflammation, and cardiac disease. Unfiltered outdoor air entering our homes includes these pollutants, directly damaging our health and reducing life expectancy. Nuaire has designed the UK's first retrofit carbon filter system for existing homes at risk from poor air quality. Until now, only new-built homes have benefited from technology to remove air pollutants. Here, carbon filters are fitted as part of the system. The NOX Master is a whole house system which ventilates the entire property with fresh, pre-filtered air. A unique combination of positive input ventilation, or PIV, and high-efficiency carbon filters using our proven PIV technology. NOX Master ensures the air throughout the home is constantly diluted and replaced with fresh, filtered air. It also reduces humidity, which prevents condensation dampness and forces out indoor pollutants generated by household products, fuel cookers, and wood-burning stoves. So how does it work? The NOX Master can be retrofitted into existing homes and installation is non-intrusive. It is installed in the loft space. It removes harmful airborne pollutants. Carbon is microporous and has a much larger internal surface area than its external dimensions suggest. So, a spoonful of activated carbon easily equates to the surface area of a football field. Pollutant gases are attracted to the surface of the carbon by a process known as adsorption at a molecular level. The carbon filters have a lifespan of 5 years and are recyclable. Additional PM10 or PM2.5 filters remove high levels of particulate matter. The fresh, pollutant-free air is then delivered into the home via a ceiling diffuser. The NOX Master ensures that the air delivered into the property is safe to breathe. NOX Master is a game-changing technology that safeguards the health of occupants living in polluted areas.